Ciao, welcome to Wonder Venice channel. If you are landing at Marco Polo Airport VCE, this is the one guide you need on how to get to Hotel Cadoro, Wenice Deep Culture using the public water bus transport Alilaguna. After collecting your luggages or your bags, exit the arrivals gate and follow the blue signs water transport. You can either use the elevator or escalators to go upstairs and continue to follow the blue sign water transport. From this entrance, it will be a 10-minute walk to the airport docks or piers. From these docks, you can buy your ticket from the ticket machines or from the ticket office. Then head to Dock 12 to take the Alilaguna boat Blue Line. The boat ride is about 35 to 40 minutes to Fondamente Nove, where you will have to get off. When you get off at Fondamente Nove, turn right and walk along the street. Take the first street on your left, Salizzata di Specchieri. Continue straight along. Cross this little square Campo dei Gesuiti and then the bridge Ponte dei Gesuiti. Continue along the street Salizzada Serimano. Cross this second bridge Ponte di Sartori along the street Salizzada de Spezier. Walk all the way down Calle di Spezier, then continue straight into Rio Terra Santi Apostoli. At this point, turn right into Rio Terra dei Franceschi. A couple of meters, you will see the sign Hotel Cadoro on your right. Turn right into this small street. At the gate on your left, you have arrived at Hotel Cadoro. Hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more videos.